Namaskar. Welcome to Business Astrology. Today I am going to narrate my own experience in finding lost objects through business astrology. We had made and filled up a form for renewal of driving license for my wife. And it was an important document, was kept in a folder along with the original driving license and was kept in a stand right on my desk to be picked up to go to the RTO on the date of appointment. Interestingly, before that a number of things happened. My room went under deep cleaning. Then an air conditioner was installed in the room, and after that the electrician installed a switch for the air conditioner. So number of people going in and out of the room, number of objects shifted in the room, and all the time I was keeping an eye on these documents because these documents I knew were important. And I had those on a stand on my table. Interestingly, in the last couple of days, I became quite busy with some other work and didn't look at the stand. But the last memory was, in the stand, there was a folder, in the folder were those papers, and somewhere there was the license. And on the day of appointment, we couldn't find any of the documents nor the original license anywhere. After a frantic search, surrendered to the horary horoscope or Prashna Kundali. And it showed the object was in home. It was in the northeast somewhere. But interestingly, it also showed in the second house presence of Rahu, which means that the document was right in front of us, but we were not able to see it. So we searched up and down, and after the time of appointment was lost, we continued searching till the end of the day. We searched whole room, even areas where it was not likely to go or not likely to be, but to no avail. The document was not found anywhere. We found many other documents, we found many other things which were important and were considered lost, but thus not this particular document. Interestingly, again the time frame given by the horary was about 20 hours if we try diligently. So we decided to wait and continue with the searching. We searched the same cupboards, same files, same places again and again. Next day in the morning, for some reason, I just picked up the stand and looked deep inside it. Hey, there was the license. So part of my story was correct, that the documents were in the folder, and in the folder also was the license, because nobody would drop that license in that folder just like that. So now we knew definitely the documents were somewhere around. Again surrendered to the Prashna Kundali, and it showed Saturn retrograde, representing the documents were not even touched by us. Additional input, that the documents may not be in a folder. So if we are looking at a folder, we were looking at a wrong thing. We would have to look for plain documents stacked together. So we continued with the search, removed everything from the cupboard. Another pointer that was coming out from the Prashna Kundali was the chances that my wife would find the document first were more. So she was helping me. We were going through files page by page and then keeping them aside. And doing so, she came up to one file and she was about to start looking in it, and then the phone rang. So she went to take up the phone. I took up that file, opened it, went to the third page, and all the documents were there. The Prashna Mandali had once again come to our rescue, finding lost objects, which is such a beautiful art of business astrology. All the three indicators given by it had come out to be true, and we were in possession of the original license as well as the original application. That is the power of business astrology and horary astrology in finding lost objects. Namaskar.